Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to the Grand Learning Point with a new video. Today in this video, I gonna tell you how you can hide your private data from your friends, family, and from all those who are using your laptop and you don't wanna share your private data with them. So let's start. First, let me create a new folder and you can change the name of this folder. I'm changing the name of this folder. Now, right click on this folder and click on the properties of this folder. Now, check this box, hidden box, and click apply and then OK. Now, this is the folder. Now, click on my computer and then click on view. Now, open this option and click on view and click on this radio button. Don't show hidden files, folders or drives and then apply and OK. Now come to the desktop and here you see that the folder is disappeared from the desktop. So on this way you can hide your data that no one can access the data. And again, if you want to show or access that folder again, then follow the same step. My computer, view, option, then again view, and this time you have to click the second radio button, which is show hidden files, folders and drives, and then apply the OK. Now you will see that this was the hidden folder and now it appears again on the desktop. So on this way you can hide or re-access your private data. And if you like this video, do subscribe Grand Learning Point, like this video and put comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video.